There's never been a better time. There's never been a better deal. There's never been a more comprehensive package. This is Satic Shield's Emergency Home Rescue Kit. This is our complete line of EMF fielding and shielding product line. It starts with the award-winning Power Perfect box. We have over 100,000 of these installed, protecting home and family today. This is part of our bundle. You also get 2 of the ES120 Pure Power plugins. Why? If you've already got the home wire-in kit, why do you need some plug-in units? Because our home wiring acts as a super antenna. And if there's a cell tower or a communication station or a smart meter or something that's impacting your wiring, you may have some hot spots. You're going to use the meter to identify the hot spots. You're going to quiet those down with the plug-in units. If you know anything about EMFs and dirty electricity, you know that a very common culprit in today's modern electrified world is lighting, LED especially. Satic designed the award-winning quantum photon Satic pulse line of lighting. So you're going to get 12 of the regular A19 light bulb that we all grew up with, and 9 of the 12-watt can or spotlights for kitchens, etc. No, they don't work on a dimmer, because a dimmer is another common culprit from EMF, and we don't suggest you use them. Field Shield. Field Shield will stop, capture, block EMF, RF, Wi-Fi, etc. This goes by your bed or by your smart meter, behind your box spring or headboard, or in between your box spring and mattress. Thank you so much for your interest in Satic Shield. We hope that we can help your family with this absolutely comprehensive and complete package lower the harmful effects and your overexposure to the very real and harmful and dangerous EMF and dirty electricity. Click now, buy today.